Hello cuties, hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. Guys, I am excited and I'm very happy. Our family on YouTube has reached 100 subscribers, which is the most and the first milestone for my channel. It's been 2 months that I've started my channel and my channel has reached 100 subscribers. And I'm so glad about that. So guys, I'm back again to share with you guys one of my reviews. So today I'm here, just like the description down there says, a review on Faces Canada lip balm. Guys, trust me, I have been using this for almost like 1.5 months now. It's in the flavor orange. I think they have green apple, pineapple and vanilla apart from this. So total they have 4 variants. So I have bought it in the flavor orange and it is a package that has a very beautiful orange color. But that is not the thing. I have kept this card with me because when I want to share my review video, that is what I thought back then. Then I thought I need to share with you the ingredients, the price, the validity and all these things. So I thought it's better to keep this card so that I can show and share with you guys my reviews on this. Okay, so this is a packaging. It's quite a sturdy packaging, easy to carry around. Can you hear that sound? That's the sound of this product. It's really good. Packaging wise, it's really good. And it has a shelf life of 3 years. It was manufactured in September 2019. Oh wow, it has finished 1 year. But it has a shelf life of 3 years, which means I can still use it for another 2 years. See it there? So yes, from 19 to 22, and it is priced at 199 rupees for 2 grams of the product. Yes, this is what you get to see here. Yes guys, so that is about the product. Hope you like this face, by the way. If you like this makeup, it's a party makeup look and the video is already uploaded. Please find it in my channel. So yes, moving on further. Speaking of its benefits, or it's called the Orange Epic Lips. It comes in a package like this. It has a cover where inside that packet you find this kept like this. Okay, so speaking about the benefits of this, it has lip color enhancing properties. Uses, because I don't know, I'm just moving out of the topic everywhere. Let me finish off this and I will tell you what I was about to tell. Stay tuned. Okay, so this has lip color enhancing properties, pH level to intensify the colors and give customized hue. And it is rich in almond oil, vitamin A, and this also keeps your lips fully hydrated, which is very true, and protected, leaving them supple and naturally beautiful. Now make that lovely pout that works for you 24/7. Yes, that's correct. It's not a tinted lip balm. It's a lip balm that is of a single color. Oh my god, I just wanted to check the ingredient list, but guys, I'm so sorry. I was removing the sticker, the whole thing came off. I'll try to figure out maximum ingredients that's available in this. As far as I remember, this has castor oil, so sometimes I just apply them on my eyebrows, on my eyelids, eyelashes, sorry, all of that. So it's good in that property that it has. And it has almond oil, mineral oil, vitamin A acetate, fragrance. Yeah, fragrance is also available, obviously, because it smells of orange. Okay, the thing I was about to tell out of topic in between is that, look at me guys, today I'm all orange. If you could see me, I'm all orange today. Orange lipstick, orange lip balm, orange dress. I'm an orange girl today, okay? So yes, let's begin with this review. Talking about the package, it's a sturdy package, lifetime is good, it has 3 years of validity. Speaking of the ingredients are good. It does make your lips feel good. It gives a natural color to your lips. Absolutely true. I always use it during my night skincare routine and whenever I go out, because these days lipsticks are out of topic. I'm so sad that we are not able to apply lipstick while going out, guys. Always the mask is covered. So much is covered and you can't even show the color of lips you have applied. So I always apply this lip balm. But it had a decent quantity of product. But now I only have this much of the product left. So you guys can imagine how much I've used up. The problem with this is this, guys. After this it doesn't go back. I have to push it so that it goes inside. It's very more like a lip balm. I mean a creamy lip balm rather than a lip balm that comes in a stick. I don't know. I had Himalaya. Okay, it's inside. So Himalaya lip balm I have used many of the lip balms, but they were not this soft. This one is very soft that the moment you pull it out and you get it back in, it gets stuck over here. It doesn't move after this. And this is only when the quantity is so much. Imagine the quantity was this much when I bought it. So I had to be very careful while using this, otherwise the excess comes out. So I have to push it like this so that it goes out. It's very difficult, especially, see, if I am not wearing this lipstick, well, the excess one I can just rub it off. On my eyebrows I do that, on my eyelashes I do that. But maybe they could instead have introduced a lip balm in a bottle where you just dip your fingers and apply, just like the Biotech lip balm that I have. I don't know, that is one thing I didn't like about this. Rest of them was quite good. I enjoyed using it. Usually I just touch it only when I don't have my makeup on, when I don't have to apply anything on my lips, because once I open it I have difficulty putting it back. So yes guys, that's about the review. Hope you liked this review. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and the ones who have subscribed to my channel, a big thank you. You don't know how grateful I am to the ones who have subscribed. And yes, if you have watched my video till here and have not subscribed yet, and you don't feel like subscribing for some reason, if you are not feeling like subscribing, there should be a reason. Either you didn't like this content, you didn't like the way I presented it, you didn't like me, whatever it is, guys. I am open to any feedback. Please do leave a feedback on the comment box so that I can improve on it and work on it. And if you like this, please subscribe to my channel. Just like the 100 family members that I have right now, your subscription also means a lot, and I would be equally grateful to you as well. So with that note, I end this video, guys. Take care, stay safe, bye bye, love you all.